Alright, this is what we've all been waiting for, the Ryzen CPU. Got the motherboard there, and now we're going to do the CPU. Now, I have a 1700X here, which is what I want to use, because I want to see how their sort of new automated overclocking works. But unfortunately, my AM4 bracket on my water cooler isn't here, so I actually have a vanilla 1700 just so that I can use the stock cooler that comes with it. So we're going to be installing that cooler on this chip for now. So let's check out opening it up. I think the packaging's nice. It's minimal, but I like how they make the inside of the cardboard black. That's a nice effect. That just, I don't know, makes it feel good. And it feels good on your hands. So we pull out, this is the fan and the heat sink. Make sure you can see that. And this little guy is the processor. And of course they give you a little sticker you can put on your case if you want. Cool. And there's nothing underneath there. I already checked. So we'll put this to the side. And then this guy, actually haven't opened this one yet. Cool. That breaks the seal. Who knew? It's an empty box. And this, of course, is the important stuff. But it kind of makes sense. I mean, you don't really need anything else there, but you still kind of fit that nice logo somewhere. So it's a nice package, I think. So 1700X. Cool. There it is. Instructions. For AM3, why would you install Ryzen on AM3? This must be the same thing they give you with their other chips.